Sovereign immunity is a legal doctrine that holds that a government, also known as a sovereign, can't be sued without its consent. The United States federal government and state governments have sovereign immunity. But what about Indian tribes? In Kiowa Tribe of Oklahoma versus Manufacturing Technologies, the United States Supreme Court answered whether Indian tribes also have sovereign immunity. The Kiowa Tribe is a federally recognized Indian tribe with a reservation in Oklahoma. In 1990, the Kiowa Tribe's business entity, known as the Kiowa Industrial Development Commission, agreed to buy stock from Manufacturing Technologies. The tribe's business committee chairman signed a promissory note on behalf of the tribe to buy the stock for $285,000 plus interest. The promissory note indicated that the parties signed the note on the tribe's reservation in Carnegie, Oklahoma. However, Manufacturing Technologies claimed that the note was signed off of the tribe's reservation in Oklahoma City. The promissory note didn't specify a governing law. However, a paragraph in the note stated, quote, "Nothing in this note subjects or limits the sovereign rights of the Kiowa Tribe of Oklahoma," unquote. The tribe later defaulted on the promissory note. Manufacturing Technologies sued the tribe in Oklahoma State Court. The Kiowa Tribe moved to dismiss the lawsuit for lack of jurisdiction, claiming that the tribe couldn't be sued because it had tribal sovereignty. The trial court dismissed the tribe's motion and found in favor of Manufacturing Technologies. The tribe appealed to the Oklahoma Court of Civil Appeals. The court affirmed the trial court's holding and held that Indian tribes don't have sovereign immunity for breach of contract claims that involve off-reservation commercial conduct. The tribe appealed again, but the Oklahoma Supreme Court declined to review. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.